What's up, guys? Starting the vlog right now, and yeah, if you can see, we're kind of moving again. Yeah, because the place where we're in right now, it was only for half a year because of Corona. Yeah, they didn't know if it would work because yeah, because of Corona. It was these are times for uncertainties, and nobody really know if things gonna go well at all. So as well did I. So I kind of went in my primary job. As you can see, I do solar panel installations, and yeah, I'm trying to go in 2021, trying to go part-time or trying to go full-time on Aspect Performance. I will give you details later on what we're gonna do, and we're gonna do car wrapping. Stay tuned, because that's gonna happen. That's gonna be the main objective of Aspect Performance. But we're going into a little bit of nice stuff like chip tuning and that kind of stuff. Been planning on doing this a long time, but I was always trying to keep it down low so that I wouldn't fall back or get myself in trouble, because I got a wife and kid, so got to take care of them before pleasures and other kind of things. But at the end of the day, I wanted to make it my job, so it's difficult to do that. Certain uncertainties and all that kind of stuff, even with Corona at all and all that kind of stuff. So today we're gonna start moving to the new location. I'll catch you guys later on the new location, and see you guys in the next one. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing well. I'm still healthy. God bless. And yeah. Sorry that you guys didn't hear from us a long time, because we've been a little busy, and certain uncertainties with coronavirus has led us to do certain things that we had to do. First of all, we're not in the facility we were a few videos ago, because we had a half a year contract. I did a half a year contract because I didn't really know what the pandemic was gonna be like for me as a entrepreneur, as a somebody that owns a own business. So yeah, we had to we typically, when the contract ended, we typically had to search another facility to get ourselves into. We already we pretty much got accommodated to moving all the time, every time we're making a video. So right now we're in a new facility, and this time I got a great feeling about this facility, because we got a good bond with the landlord, and as long as we pay it, we can stay as long as we want. We have a different contract that's for longer period, and I may go if I may please. So right now, yeah, let me show you the place where we're in right now. So as you can see, the walls have been painted, and that wasn't there yet. We've been doing some construction and doing a lot of stuff. As you can see, we got here drywall. We're plastering it. My little brother Ruben, he does plastering. I don't know if I stated good in English, but in Dutch it's called stukken, or stucador, stukken. So we're still doing that part right here. As you can see, we prepared it, and I got some lighting that's going up on the ceilings, some nice lighting to light up the whole garage. We got not everybody knows that, but I'm a certified electrician, and I did it. I pulled up some electrical wires just to get everything rolling and where I exactly want. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it up top right there. I got my own plugs right there, or my own, I don't know what's called in English, but whatever. Right there I did another one. I'm gonna do another one right there, and here's gonna be a special place where we can chill out. Again, can have my own desk and television on the wall and all that jazz. It's gonna be lit. I'm trying to do a little dream garage build right here, starting a little series of how to manage to do this kind of stuff on a budget, because we always been budget. I'm not gonna tell that I'm rich or something like that, but I save up money, and then eventually this is what I always had planned for my garage, but never had the chance to do it. So right now, I'm trying to get this as beautiful as possible, so when people come and they want their car wrapped, they want something done to their car, that they had a little how can I say it, confidence that the way our place looks like is how we work. We work clean, we work tidy, and trying to give the client some quality. That's the main object, and I like working in a space that's nice, beautiful. It lets you think. Already this what I did right here, it's so nice. It's seriously so nice, because I can think for once in a while. So you put your car here, inspirations come up, and you're not always busy and in cleaning stuff up. There's always trash around here, so I'm trying to keep this as clean as possible, so that we can do our work, so we can do our job right here. So a couple of videos were from there. It's a little mixed up, but the videos that we'll make around here, I'm gonna upload later on. But for now, enjoy the videos that we already posted, we already made, because I batched up a lot of videos that I need to edit, but I didn't got the time to do it. So right now, stay tuned for that videos, and stay tuned for a lot of stuff, because Instagram, everything, YouTube, maybe Facebook, but it's going down. I'm telling you, it's going down. So I'm pretty happy, I'm pretty stoked about this. I hope everything goes as planned, but yeah, everything will be all right. Okay, have a nice day. I hope I give you a little bit of an update. Later on, we're gonna do a little bit of the update of the cars, the project cars, because they typically are actually already done. We just need some few little things to finish up the EK, the EF that we got going on, and we beginning to work on the EG. The EG was actually a little bit totaled, but we're gonna try and make the best out of it. I'm gonna try and we already started restoring it, and you're gonna see eventually, you're gonna see some things, some builds going on. So I hope I gave you guys a little bit of an update of what's done, what's coming, and yeah, stay tuned for more, man. Subscribe, leave a comment, and leave a like. That will help us. But tell your friends that eventually, yeah, some friends like the car stuff, some people like the garage build stuff. We're into that right now, and I hope you guys are doing well. And I'll see you soon. Okay, I'm blabbering right now. Have a nice day. Bye.